For anybody that runs a fleet, whether it's cars, buses, trucks, you have to have a fleet management plan. So as part of our fleet management plan, it's different than like the rail cars or the subway trains or things like this. We have to replace the buses every year. So part of our fleet plan is 70 buses per year, which means we buy 70 brand new buses and we get rid of 70 of the oldest fleet out there. That helps with maintenance, breakdowns, safety features, and everything else that goes along with it. But that's our fleet management plan.
And these new buses, tell me how they get to Baltimore, the process that they go through to make sure that they're ready for the road.
Well, they're actually driven here, believe it or not, and it helps with part of our inspection and acceptance process. So right now, the company that makes them is a company, New Flyer, which is out in Minnesota. So we have inspectors out at the plant that goes through the whole bus build from the frame all the way to the final body and everything else being put on the bus, and they sign off and do the inspections. Then the bus is driven here to Baltimore. It's a good long drive, good way to beat it up, and then we re-inspect the bus again here, and some things that we can inspect out there, like our radio system and other things that have to communicate with our systems that we have here in Baltimore. So the first bus is actually going through that acceptance testing right now.